This video is about how to make money in 60 seconds or less without recruiting or selling. And if you guys want to stick around, I'll talk to you guys more about it. If you guys have not heard about HFX, right? HFX or binary options can actually trade stocks, commodities, regular currency pairs, some major pairs. And what's good about this one is you don't need to wait a day, few hours, you know, to make money from the market. What binary option allows you to do is to make money in as little as 30 seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, depending on what you choose. So let's say you are trading and you have a price point of 1 to 10, right? So you have $1 all the way to $10, right? And the way it works is that you can hit a buy, you can hit a sell, and you just have to remember, right, that we just need to stay below or above our price point, right, of whatever order that we put in. So say for example on this trade is we are doing Apple, and Apple's payout is, I want to say 92%, right? 92% for Apple, and if you get it right, you make 92% of whatever money that you put in. So let's say you have $100, right? $100, and you put in for a buy. The current price point right now was $3, and we have the price point, it starts to fluctuate, right? You put in for a buy, the price went up to like $4, $5, went to $2, and at the end of the time expiration, that is what's gonna classify your order whether you win or not, right? So what do I mean by that is, if we put in for a buy at $3, time expires at $7, right, which is above $3, you just won 92%, right? So again, from $100, 92% of that is 92, right? So you just won literally 192, right? You are up 92%, which is $92 in profit. And what's good about that is you could have an expiration of 30 seconds. All you need is to have a phone, right? Internet, obviously, and a money to trade with, right? And one of the good thing about this one is we have a master trader with the company that that helps us to grow, to get more knowledge, to attain more knowledge, right? Because knowledge is power, and without knowledge we're not gonna go nowhere. you know to be with a master trader, looking over their shoulder and see how they see the market, how they trade the market, right? And gives you input of why they doing it, right? Gives you all the reason in the world of why do you need to put in a buy, why do you need to put in a sell. So I hope you guys like that video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you guys want to holler at me, link should be posted somewhere in this description, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.